Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Today we're going to study how to multiply a mixed number and a decimal. Take a look at the first question, 0.9 times 2 over 3. We need to change a decimal to a fraction first. Do you remember how to convert a decimal to a fraction? If not, please review the other video, fraction 9. Any decimal can be changed to the decimal over 1. So 0.9 will be 0.9 over 1, and 2 over 3 stays the same. We don't want to have a decimal in a fraction, so we multiplied 0.9 by 10 and the denominator 1 by 10. Then we get 9 over 10 times 2 over 3. Now check the numerators and denominators. We can see that the numerator 9 and the denominator 3 have a common factor of 3. So you can divide 9 by 3 and you get 3. And 3 divided by 3, you get 1. And we can see that the numerator 2 and the denominator 10 have a common factor 2. So you can divide 2 by 2 and you get 1. And 10 divided by 2, you get 5. Now multiply the numerators, 3 and 1, to get 3, and denominators 5 and 1 to get 5. So the answer is 3 over 5. Let's try another question. 2 and 1 over 7 times 1.4. First, we need to change a mixed number, 2 and 1 over 7, to an improper fraction. Multiplying 2 by 7 plus 1 becomes 15, and the denominator 7 stays the same. A decimal 1.4 can be changed to 1.4 over 1. Because we don't want to have a decimal in a fraction, we multiply 1.4 by 10, and the denominator 1 also by 10. Then we have 15 over 7 times 14 over 10. Now check the numerators and denominators. We can see that the numerator 15 and the denominator 10 have a common factor of 5. So you can divide 15 by 5 and you get 3. And 10 divided by 5, you get 2. We see the numerator 14 and the denominator 7 have a common factor of 7. You can divide 14 by 7 and you get 2. And 7 divided by 7 for the denominator becomes 1. We can also see the numerator 2 and the denominator 2 have a common factor of 2. So you can divide 2 by 2 and you get 1. And 2 divided by 2 again, you get 1. Now multiply the numerators, 3 and 1, to get 3, and the denominators 1 and 1 to get 1. So the answer is 3 over 1, which is just 3. Let's look at one more question. 2 and 1 over 12 times 0.88. Let's change a mixed number, 2 and 1 over 12, to an improper fraction. Multiplying 2 by 12 plus 1 becomes 25, and the denominator 12 stays the same. A decimal, 0.88, can be changed to 0.88 over 1. Then we need to eliminate a decimal in a fraction, so we multiply 0.88 by 100 and the denominator 1 by 100. Then we have 25 over 12 times 88 over 100. Now check numerators and denominators. We can see the numerator 25 and the denominator 100 have a common factor of 25. So you can divide 25 by 25 and you get 1. and 100 divided by 25, you get 4. We see that the numerator 88 and the denominator 12 have a common factor of 4. So you can divide 88 by 4 and you get 22. And 12 divided by 4, you get 3. We can also see that the numerator 22 and the denominator 4 have a common factor of 2. So you can divide 22 by 2 to get 11. And 4 divided by 2, you get 2. Now multiply the numerators 1 and 11 to get 11. And the denominators 3 and 2 to get 6. So the answer is 11 over 6. Let's summarize today's lesson. When you multiply a mixed number and a decimal, change the decimal to the decimal over 1. Then try to eliminate the decimal inside a fraction by multiplying 10, 100, 1000. If you have a mixed number, change it to an improper fraction. Then check both numerators and denominators. If you see any numerator and denominator have a common factor, you can cancel the numerator and denominator before multiplying. It is very efficient to cancel first. Then multiply the numerators and denominators separately to get the final answer. Here are some challenge questions. Try them out. Sample solutions are linked under the video. Press Show More below the video and then find its link. Hope you can solve them. Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to join our Inspire Math tutoring community. There are some related videos linked below. Press Show More for details. Thank you and have a good one.